This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. The engine oil level dipstick is often brightly coloured for easy identification. The engine oil filler cap is located on the top of the engine. Withdraw the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw it again, then note the oil level on the end of the dipstick, which should be between the upper maximum mark and the lower minimum mark. Approximately 1 litre for petrol models or 1.5 litres for diesel models of oil will raise the level from the lower mark to the upper mark. If topping up is necessary, unscrew the filler cap from the top of the engine. Slowly add the correct grade of oil to the engine, checking the level on the dipstick frequently. Do not overfill. When the level is correct, wipe away any spilled oil and securely refit the filler cap. The coolant level expansion tank and filler cap is located at the front of the engine. The coolant level is visible through the sides of the tank and with the engine cold should be between the maximum and minimum marks. If topping up is necessary, unscrew the filler cap and add 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water until the level rises to the maximum mark. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. The fluid reservoir for the brake and clutch hydraulic systems is located under a cover at the rear of the engine compartment. Unclip and pull up the front edge to open the cover over the reservoir. The fluid level is visible through the side of the reservoir and should be between the maximum and minimum marks. If topping up is necessary, clean the surrounding area, then unscrew the filler cap. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container to bring the level up to the maximum mark, then securely refit the filler cap. Close the reservoir cover, ensuring the clip engages. The Screenwash reservoir filler cap is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Pull up the filler cap, then add a mixture of Screenwash additive and water to the reservoir. Firmly close the filler cap. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's securely locked.